Hello, my name is Ayla and I work in the Legislative Assembly. I'm the Sergeant-at-Arms, which means I'm the principal protector of the authority of the Speaker. I lead the Speaker into the chamber on each sitting day and I carry the mace, which is a symbol of the Speaker's authority. Apart from carrying the mace and assisting the Speaker to maintain order in the chamber and the public gallery, I clerk at the table of the House on sitting days. I'm also a member of and secretary to the Parliament House Art Advisory Committee. It's wonderful for the Parliament to be supporting artists. It's a magnificent building to display artwork by West Australians. It just seems such a positive thing to do, such a contribution to Western Australia. You can watch a sitting of your Parliament online. The sitting dates and times are on the website.